Hi there, Todd Lyden with the Small Business Center at Bladen Community College. I want to tell a really quick story about a really great thing that happened last night at a seminar we ran for how to start a cleaning business. We had a woman who was borderline dragged by her family because she's been talking about starting a cleaning business for quite some time to this seminar where we had some really great participants, some who were in business and some who were definitely looking to start. And the best part about it was she's from Morrisville, North Carolina, which is, of course, in Wake County. So we immediately made the connection with her to know that Wake um, opened a brand new facility right around the corner from where she's at in RTP. And she was very happy about that, but she's also happy to learn that they're having a how to write a business plan seminar coming up in the next few weeks that she'll probably be able to attend, and that it's so readily available for her. So it's one of the best parts about being part of the Small Business Center network in North Carolina is that we have this unique network that actually works together, that provides opportunity for folks all over the state, no matter where they're at and no matter how they can get there. So I really appreciate you taking the time to watch us. And if you know folks who need help, let them know wherever they are in North Carolina that they can find us.